To add Apple Cash to Amazon, you need to have an Apple Cash account and an Amazon account. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Wallet app on your Apple device and that you are signed in with your Apple ID. Open the Wallet app and tap on the Apple Cash card. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Transfer to Bank. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Select the bank account or debit card you want to use and confirm the transfer. Once the funds are in your bank account, go to Amazon and sign into your account. Click on Account and Lists. Then click on Payment Options. Click on Add a Payment Method and select Bank Account. Enter your bank account information, including the account number and routing number, and click Continue. Amazon may require you to verify your bank account by sending a small deposit to your account, which you will need to confirm. Once your bank account is verified, you can use it to make purchases on Amazon. It is essential to note that it may take a few days for the funds to be transferred from Apple Cash to your bank account, so plan accordingly. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with transferring funds from Apple Cash to your bank account, as well as any Amazon payment processing fees. By following these steps, you can add Apple Cash to Amazon and use it to make purchases on the platform. Remember to always review your account activity and transaction history to ensure everything is in order. This method allows you to use your Apple Cash funds on Amazon, providing a convenient way to shop online.